In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for Bookstagram. If you want to create eye-catching book review posts, beautiful quote graphics, or matching highlight style visuals for your book content, Canva makes the process much easier. Instead of struggling with messy layouts or spending too much time adjusting every little detail by hand, you can build a polished, cohesive design quickly and confidently. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to set up your canvas, place your book image into a clean grid, add text, enhance the design with effects, and export everything in high quality. To get started, open your desktop browser and go to canva.com, then log into your Canva account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner and click Create a Design. From the menu, choose Instagram Post Portrait for 5. This gives you a format that works especially well for Bookstagram because it fills more screen space on mobile and helps your posts stand out in the feed. Once your blank design opens, it's time to build the structure for your post. On the left-hand side, click Elements. Scroll until you find the grid section, then click See All. Choose a single frame grid and place it onto your canvas. This acts like a photo container, which is helpful for keeping your layout clean and making sure your book image fits neatly without awkward cropping. Next, click Uploads in the left sidebar and upload a photo of your book cover or reading screenshot. When the image appears in your Uploads panel, click and drag it directly into the grid frame. As soon as you release it, Canva will automatically snap the image into place inside the frame. This is one of the easiest ways to create a professional-looking post fast, especially if you want your images to feel tidy and balanced. Now let's add your text. Click Text on the left, then select Add a Text box. Type in your quote, review headline, or star rating. At the top of the editor, you'll see text formatting options where you can change the font, size, spacing, and color. Try choosing a font style that matches the mood of the book or your overall brand aesthetic. Consistent typography can make your Bookstagram feed feel much more curated. To give your design a little more depth, click on the image frame, then select Edit Photo from the top toolbar. Open the shadows options and choose Drop Shadow. You can adjust the blur and intensity until the book cover stands out nicely from the background. This small touch can make a flat image feel much more styled and dimensional. Before exporting, move your text and decorative elements around slightly and watch for Canva's alignment guides. These guidelines help you keep everything centered and evenly spaced. When you're happy with the final look, click Share, then Download, choose PNG, and click Download again to save your high-resolution design. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.